to learn a secret?
Yes.
Yes? Would you all like to learn a secret for success as an entrepreneur?
But some of you already know that it's hard and it's not easy. It is hard changing your life.
Gratitude, we did yesterday. Did you all like the affirmations?
Yes.
Yes, you all know and realise how powerful affirmations are, yes? Yes, and they were one of the key vital things to my success. The start of it releases so much of that stress and tension you've built up for the day before. Don't have discrimination because you don't know who you're going to meet. This was a vital lesson that I learned. And why this was a key changing moment for my life is because my wife was the one who introduced me to my first book about the law of attraction. It's making you realise that it doesn't matter how much money you are making. It's ultimately how you make your money.